Welcome back, traders. In today's breakdown, I'm analyzing the market using the 30-minute time frame to understand the higher time frame structure before refining our entries. This chart shows a clean and high-probability smart money concepts sell setup. Watch carefully. Every level marked here plays a key role in the trade. Starting from the left side of the chart, we can clearly see that the market is in a bearish structure. Price breaks below the first major structural low. This gives us our first bearish break of structure, confirming that sellers are in control. After a small pullback, price continues downward and breaks another low. This gives us the second bearish break of structure, strengthening our bearish bias and confirming continued downward delivery. These two break of structure points help us understand that the market wants to move lower. After the second break of structure, the market returns back into a premium zone. Here, I've marked a clean, bearish order block, the last bullish candle before the major sell-off. This is the zone where institutional orders were placed. So whenever price comes back into this area, we prepare for a high-probability sell setup. On the chart, you can see price tapping into this order block exactly as expected.
Before reaching the order block, price creates a small high. This is known as inducement. Inducement is designed to trap early sellers and build liquidity above their stop losses. The market then pushes slightly higher, grabs that liquidity, and finally taps the real order block. This is exactly what happens here. Inducement, stop hunt, order block mitigation. Below the structure, we have a clear cluster of equal lows. This is our sell-side liquidity. This is where smart money aims to deliver price. It becomes our main target for this sell trade. From premium to discount, this sell-side liquidity zone gives us the perfect take-profit area. Once price taps the bearish order block and shows rejection, we execute our sell entry. The entry is inside the order block, and the target is the sell-side liquidity zone marked below. As you can see, price reacts beautifully and delivers cleanly from the order block down into sell-side liquidity. This is a perfect smart money delivery model. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, comment, share, and subscribe for more detailed smart money trading lessons.